Hey everyone, it's the Farris, Tarazi Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to 23rd Street West. If you're looking for a single-story, custom-built estate that offers a fully permitted 1,800 square foot workshop, a 3-car deep garage, many upgrades on the inside, paid solar, and an Oasis backyard with a sparkling pool and a water slide, all situated on a near Acre lot, this may be for you. Let's head on in, check it out. Welcome home, featuring 4 bedrooms plus an office with a barn door, a spacious family room with a brick wall fireplace and a mantle, upgraded baseboards, new interior paint, and plantation shutters throughout that enriches the home, a formal dining room with a modern light fixture and exposed wood beam ceilings, and a spacious kitchen with plenty of modern white cabinetry, granite counters, a large center island, a pot filler, double ovens, and a vegetable sink. Relax in your primary suite that showcases backyard access, a large walk-in closet, and a completely renovated primary bath with a modern vanity, and best part, a custom stone tile shower. Entertain friends and family while creating lasting memories in your complete private, resort-style backyard that showcases a covered patio with lighting and ceiling fans, artificial turf, palm trees, and a sparkling pool with waterfalls and a water slide. And don't forget the massive 1,800 square foot fully permitted workshop, big enough for 3 motorhomes. Thank you so much for watching this tour of 23rd Street West. For more information, for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters!